Welcome to Unacademy and welcome to Unacademy semester exams. Guys, there is a very good news. Ghani Khan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology has given the notification for teaching and non-teaching positions. Advertisement number 012021. The last date is 10th of March, Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. So we have vacancies in Ghani Khan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology. So before that, let me tell you, an academy, let's crack it. I'm Vice Shravan Kumar, having 7+ years of teaching experience and mentored more than 5K students and also cracked gate. So click on an academy learning app in Google Play Store and you'll get installed and you get all the benefits of daily life classes, structured courses, live test, unlimited access. And in Iconic, you get a personal coach, study tracker, mains, and QA practice, all the benefits of Plus. And in Plus, you have daily life classes, structured courses, live test, unlimited access as well. And you can learn from the top educators as you see. And also, we have GATE and ESC batches and year-long courses as well for all the branches and different courses. You have Plus and Iconic subscription. You have all the benefits of Plus and Iconic along with some special benefits. I suggest you to go for the 24 months plus subscription. You can use my code to get the maximum discount. And I also suggest you to go for the Iconic, which is the one of the best options of the subscription. For 24 months, you can use my code YSK10 to get the maximum discount and get subscription to the Unacademy. Now you also have Evolve for Gate 2022 for electrical engineering by the top educators from 1st February. A new batch is starting and you can use my code YSK10 to get the maximum discount. You can use my code YSK10 to get the maximum discount, and you also have Ascent for Gate 2023 for electrical engineering by the top educators starting for 1st February, and you can use my code YSK10 to get the maximum discount. You also have Evolve for ECE students Gate 2022 by the top educators starting from 1st February, and use my code YSK10 to get the maximum discount. You also have Ascent for Gate 2023 for ECE students and use my code YSK10. This batch is going to start from 1st February 2021 by the top educators of Unacademy. Now let us see GKC IET detailed notification. Now let's go there. Yeah, this is the Ghanikan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology. Just you can go to this site GKCIET. You can just Google it. Let me show you that. Yes, Ghanikan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology. Just click on it. You can just see their screen, and at the home page you can just read about them. You can just about us. You just look at this. Anikan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology, Malda, West Bengal was established in 2010 by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, under the mentorship of National Institute of Technology, Durgapur, in memory of Sri ABA Ganikan Chaudhary, who has contributed immensely to the societal development of the region. So this is that, and let's go back to the home page and see this notification advertisement for teaching and non-teaching. If you just click on this, you can get this notification. You also have the notification recruitment rules for teaching and non-teaching. Also you can also check that, and you can just go to this recruitment, and once you see this, you have detailed advertisement for teaching and non-teaching. Just click on it, you'll get this notification. You also have click here for applying. Just click on it, you'll get some application process. So let's not go there. First let's look at the notification. Applications are invited for the teaching and non-teaching in prescribed format. Faculty position and technical staff, if you see, post department, assistant professor, foreman, senior technical assistant and technical assistants, STA and TA. Civil engineering, you have one for unreserved and one for OBC. For assistant professor and senior technical assistant, you have one for unreserved, and technical assistants, you have one for unreserved. And computer science is engineering, you have one assistant professor post for ST candidates and one for the unreserved candidates. And technical assistant for SC, one for computer science engineering. In electrical engineering department, you have one post for OBC and one for ST and one for unreserved as assistant professor, and one for OBC as foreman, and unreserved one, and EWS one for the technical assistant post. And AE food processing technology, EWS one, OBC one, unreserved one for assistant professor, and unreserved one for the technical assistant post. In the mechanical department, you have two posts for unreserved, one for SC and one for EWS for the assistant professor, and one unreserved for the foreman, and one for the OBC as technical assistant, one technical assistant OBC post. Now coming to the ECE, you have one unreserved post as an assistant professor, and there are no other positions in the department of ECE. In the department of physics, you can see one OBC post for assistant professor and one technical assistant post for unreserved. And chemistry, you have one unreserved for assistant professor and one unreserved for the technical assistant. And in mathematics, we have assistant professor one post for EWS, and in English, we have one post for unreserved assistant professor, and in sociology, we have one post for OBC candidate as assistant professor. So these two, in total we have 20 vacancies for assistant professor and 2 for the foreman and 1 for senior technical assistant and technical assistant 8 post. And coming to the non-teaching administrative post, you can see deputy registrar unreserved 1, assistant registrar unreserved 2, and 1 post against a permanent vacancy and 1 on the contractual deputation basis for 3 years. And senior assistant cashier unreserved 1 post and junior assistant unreserved 2 post. In total you have non-teaching post of 6. Now let's look at this pay scales. They are implementing 7th pay scale, that is assistant professor 57,000 to 98,200 as per 7th pay scale level 10. Foreman rupees 53,100 to 1,51,000 level 9 level 9. Senior technical assistants 35,400 to 1,12,000 level 6. Technical assistants 19,900 to 63,000 level 5. Deputy registrar 78,000 to 2,92 2,09,200 level 12. Assistant registrar 56,100 to 1,77,500 level 10. Senior assistant cashier 25,500 to 81,100 level 4. Junior assistant rupees 19,900 to 63,200 level 2. Now qualification and experience, if you have to see, for the assistant professor engineering technology departments, qualification experience age limit is BE, BTech, BS and ME, MTech or integrated MTech in relevant branch with first class or equivalent in any of the degrees. And assistant professor science, you can see master degree with 55% or equivalent grade in post point scale wherever the grading system is followed in a concerned relevant allied subject from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. Besides fulfilling the above qualification, the candidates must have cleared the NET, that is for the assistant professor science and humanities, conducted by the UGC or CSIR. This is mandatory. Provided the candidates register for PhD prior to July 2011-2009 shall be governed by the provision of then existing ordinances, bylaws and regulations of the institute awarding the degree. Such PhD candidates shall be exempted from the requirement of NET set for the recruitment and appointment of assistant professor or equivalent positions. Now, if you look at the foreman, it is BTech in relevant discipline in engineering or its equivalent with 60% from the recognized university, or 3 years diploma in relevant discipline of engineering or technology or its equivalent with 60%. And experience must be 5 years as senior technical assistant at grade pay of 4,200 or equivalent for those having BTech, or 8 years as senior technical assistant with a grade pay of 4,200 or equivalent for those having diploma. And knowledge of computer based application in relevant field is desirable. Now we'll see technical senior technical assistant BE BTech in relevant discipline with first class or grade from a recognized university, and experience must be 5 years, and essential first class diploma in engineering or technology, and experience is 6 years as technical and technical assistant. Now desirable knowledge of computer applications, age limit 35 years. Now coming to this technical assistant, essential is diploma or equivalent in relevant trade and engineering from a recognized board with excellent academic record, or first class BSc in relevant field from recognized university. Desirable, preferable with experience in relevant field, trade, knowledge of computer applications not exceeding 30 years. We can also look at these deputy register, qualification masters in discipline with 55% marks or its equivalent grade, and experience at least 9 years as assistant professor in AGP of rupees 6,000 and level 10 or 7th CPC and above with 3 years experience in educational administration or comparable experience in research establishment, industry or other institutional higher education, or 5 years of administrative experience as assistant registrar. Next, desirable is qualification in the area of management engineering law, experience in computer applications, experience in the establishment and academic financial administration in academic or research organizations. Now, assistant register, the same things will apply. Master degree with 55% or the employee of the institute serving superintendent with 8 years of experience. The same qualifications as we have seen in the management and engineering and experience in computer applications, e-office systems and establishment of academic financial administration, academic or research organizations. And age limit is not exceeding 35 years. And senior assistant, senior secondary from a recognized board with minimum typing speed of 35 words per minute and proficiency in computer word processing and spreadsheet. And bachelor's degree from a recognized university, proficiency in other computer and stenographic skills, not exceeding 33 years. Age limit is also specified. Now, junior assistant, senior secondary from a recognized board with minimum typing speed of 35 words per minute, proficiency in computer, word processing and spreadsheet, proficiency in other computer and stenographic skills, not exceeding 27 years. Interested candidates must apply by filling in the relevant form online and upload scanned copies of all the certificates, documents with photograph and application fee as per the general instructions given below. Last date for the online submission is 10/3/2021. You can just look at this. You have given service bond also, and the last date for the receiving is 10/3/2020 11:59 p.m. Online submission only at the recruitment link. So submission of online application, please read the following instructions given in the recruitment portal before filling up the submitting the application online. Now photograph a latest passport size photograph is to be uploaded. And separate applications are required for each post applied. And application fee is 1000 rupees to be paid while submitting the application for OBC, General and EWS. And SC, ST, PWD candidates are exempted from the payment of application fee. Candidates who are applied for the different posts against advertisement 2 2019 dated 18/11/2019 need not apply again, but may submit their latest information through email recruitment underscore data at the rate of gkciet.ac.in. Persons already in service, permanent or temporary, must apply through proper channel. And these are some of the other things that you can see. So this is all about the notification of Ganikant Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology, as you can see. So all the best guys, whoever is eligible can apply to this post for all the posts that were discussed. Ganikant Chaudhary Institute of Engineering and Technology for teaching and non-teaching as well, and the last date is 10/3/2021 Wednesday 11:59 p.m. Do remember this date, and thank you all so much for joining me today on this beautiful notification that we have. And as I always tell you, we have India's #1 study channels. Do like this video, share this video, subscribe to Unacademy, and you can use my code on your Unacademy subscription. Click on this bell icon to get more notification of my classes and also the notifications. So let's crack GATE and ESC. You can also join our Telegram group. And thank you so much, and all the best to everyone.